Hello, welcome to Forbest Academy. Today we'll be looking at an SAT math question. The question says as follows. Which of the following is a solution of 3 multiply the absolute value of x plus 1 minus 5 equals minus 2? And those are the choices. Once again, we're taking many of these examples from this SAT study guide. There are plenty of examples like this and practice exams. Alright, so let's start with the equation. So first we're gonna bring everything to this side, so minus 2, let's bring it to the other side. So that will be minus 3. All of that equals 0. Okay, now this is an absolute value, so we need to take cases. Okay, so let's assume that x plus 1 is positive. So if x plus 1 is positive, this quantity here will be positive. And so the absolute value of a positive quantity is just that quantity itself, right? So then we have 3 multiply x plus 1 minus 3 equals 0. Expanding this bracket, we have 3x plus 3 minus 3 equals 0. So the 3 goes away and we have 3x equals 0, which means that x equals 0. So that's a solution to this equation, but it's not listed in the answers. Okay, so let's take the other case. So let's assume x plus 1 is a negative quantity. Right? So if this is a negative quantity, then we can expand this absolute value as minus. So we have a 3 there, x plus 1 minus 3 equals 0. Expanding this bracket, we have negative 3x, negative 3, negative 3 equals 0. Negative 3x, negative 6 equals 0. So that means that negative 3x equals 6, or x equals minus 6 upon 3, which is minus 2. Right? And that appears in the list of choices. So the answer is x equals minus 2. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.